See, we have discussed the ellipse so far, and all these ellipses had their centers at the origin 0, 0. Now, what are the details of the ellipse? If the center is not at the origin, instead it is at the point h, k. See, the origin is somewhere, center is somewhere. This is the center, and the center is at the origin. If the ellipse has the center at the origin, and to get the details of the ellipse, we just have to increase x details by h and y details by k. Now let us consider the parent ellipse where the center is at the origin. This is 0, 0. This is a, that is a, 0. This is a dash, that is minus a, 0. See, the length details will not change. All the lengths, whatever I say, length of major axis, length of minor axis, length of latus rectum, that won't change. Only the coordinates will change. It is say that it is as good as taking an ellipse, having the center at the origin and fixing it here. So if you take the ellipse and fix it here, this length will not change. This length will not change. Length of latus rectum will not change. What will change? Only these coordinates will change. So only those details pertaining to the coordinates of the points will change, and that change is accordingly as we increase x details by h, y details by k. Length details will not change. So this is 0, b, and this is 0, minus b. This is first focus AE, 0. This is second focus minus AE, 0, that is h dash. Now this is the first directrix, x is equal to a by e. This is second directrix, x is equal to minus a by e. This is the latus rectum, x is equal to ae. This is x is equal to minus ae. Okay, so now let us start writing down the various details of the ellipse whose center is at h, k with reference to the parent ellipse, only by using the fact that we increase x details by h, y details by k. Now let me write first axis. Here what is the major axis? X-axis. What is the equation of x-axis? So I have to increase y details by k. So what is the equation of this line? This is y equals k. And ellipse is symmetrical about both the axes, not only with respect to one axis. So another axis, it is symmetrical about y axis also. What is the equation of y axis? So I should now write x equals h. So the equation of the axis of the ellipse when the center is at h, k is y equals k and x equals h. Now second one, length of the major axis will remain 2a. We have just taken the ellipse from here and fixed it here. So this length will not change. Are you following? But what is going to change? Ends are going to change. See here, the right hand side end is a, 0. So you should write it as a plus h, k. Right? So what is this point? This is a, that is a plus h, k. And what is the other point? A dash minus a plus h, k. So this end is a dash, that is minus a plus h, k. Similarly, you write the ends of the minor axis. Ends of the minor axis 0, b. So what will you write? H, b plus k. and the other end, lower end, h comma minus b plus k. Okay, you got it? So these are the ends of the minor axis. Then we have focus. The first focus is, here it is AE comma 0. So you should write it as AE plus h comma k. So this is S, that is AE plus h comma k, and this will be S dash. And what is S dash? Minus AE plus h comma k. So write plus or minus AE plus h comma k. And next, directrices. X equals A by E plus h, and x equals minus A by E plus h. So this is one directrix, and this is the other directrix. Length of lattice rectum will never change. 2b square by a only. So we will not worry about that. Next, equation of LR. See, here the equation is x equals AE. So this will become x equals AE plus h and x equals minus AE plus h. So these are the two lateral recta. One is x equals AE plus h and other is x equals minus AE plus h. Now, ends of LR. Ends of LR. How did we write the ends of LR? Plus or minus AE plus or minus b square by a for the standard ellipse. What are the ends of LR for the standard ellipse? For this ellipse, plus or minus AE plus or minus b square by a. So here what we do? Plus or minus AE plus h plus or minus b square a plus k. These are the four ends of the two lateral recta.